Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asia Pacific equity rallied, led Japan's 1.2% gain but not South Korea. Stoxx 600 has struggled to extend its 5-day rally. European equities are less volatile than US futures. Today, the dollar-bloc currencies are in trouble. Yesterday's range of gold was soft, at its lowest level since August 5. Although $1,750 provides support, there could be bids of around $1,765. October WTI is hovering around its lows of $85.50 to $86.00. Asian Pacific market. Japan's July trade balance declined more than anticipated. The decline in exports was still remarkable at 19%, compared to 19.3% in June. However, imports increased 47.2% from June's 46.1%. Japan had a monthly average trade deficit of JPY 1.32 trillion. China and Russia are U.S. rivals. Japan and the eurozone, which is the main U.S. economic competitor, are seeing a dramatic decline in their external balance. The U.S. dollar has risen to JPY 135.00 after the 11 base point increase in the U.S. 2-year yield between yesterday and today, a 5-day high. The Australian dollar is under selling pressure again and is currently trading at 5-day lows, below the 20-day moving mean approximately $0.6990. Market of Europe. From 9.4% in June, the headline CPI for the UK accelerated to 10.1% last month. This was higher than market expectations and the Bank of England's forecast of a 9.9% rise. Despite the increase in food prices, which rose by 2.3% month-over-month and 12.7% year-over-year, the headline rate, which excludes alcohol, food, and energy, rose to 6.2% from 5.8%, exceeding expectations. The median forecast in Bloomberg's survey was 5.9%. Technical support was held by the euro at $1.0110 yesterday. Today, it trades quietly in a narrow range $1.0150 to $1.0185. Yesterday, sterling held support at $1.20 and traded at almost $1.2145 today. This met the 50% target of the retracement objective for the fall from the $1.2275 high last week. Market of America. Today's highlights include the July retail sales report and the FOMC minutes. The retail sales figures are reported in nominal terms. This means that the 13% decrease in gasoline prices will impact the most broad of measures. After a 0.8% increase in June, core retail sales are expected to rise by 0.6%. The Canadian dollar is doing well, with a drop of around 0.25% in European late-morning trading. The AUD is closer to 0.75%. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.